Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform, Moodle, at l'Université University of Blida 2. Today, we're going to present our fourth lecture titled The Management Levels. So, I have divided my fourth lecture into the following four elements as follows. First element, what are the management levels? Second one, what are the levels of management? Third one, language activities, which preposition is used with the most with company? And finally, our assessment, quizzes, tests, and exams. So, what are the management levels? The term levels of management refers to the line of division that exists between various managerial positions in an organization. So, what are the levels of management? Levels of management can be generally classified into three principal categories, all of which direct managers to perform direct functions. First one, administrative or managerial or top level of management. This level of management consists of an organization board of directors, BOD, and the chief executive or managing director. Second one, what is an executive or middle level of management? The branches and departmental managers from this middle management level. Third one, what is supervisory, operative or lower level of management? These level of management consists of supervisors, foremen, section officers, superintendents, in Britain chief inspector, and all other executives whose work must do largely with HR, human resource oversight, and the direction of operative employees. Third element, language activities. Which preposition is used the most with company? For a company and in a company are the most versatile. At a company, it is only talks about a general location or thing that we work for. For examples, Ataf works at a restaurant because he likes it. Amina works at a bakery. They work at the school together. Mohammed works at the factory all the time. While we use it to explain where we work in more specific manner, though we don't have to specifically name the brand or company we work for. For example, Ataf works in real estate and he loves it. Amin works in an office on the weekends. Amina works in a shop. You work in a company that I hate. They work in Merja neighborhood. Please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and the exam. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.